Hello, listeners. We are very happy to connect you all through this newborn podcast. We have lot to talk and share with you all. This is the first step of our journey. We hope each and every step will lead us to reach mountain heights. Wherever we go, whatever the language we learn, however we reach. Do you know who is the guiding force behind us? I think there is a single answer from every one of us. Yeah, it's none other than our mom. Here are our two little champs who are ready to entertain us.
Amazing, best, busy, caring, devoted, graceful, guiding, heartwarming, inspirational, kind, lovable, pampering, protecting, responsible, selfless, stable, tender-hearted, tolerant, understanding, wonderful.
Wow, so many heart-touching qualities. Each and every mom have got all these qualities, isn't it? Here are our kids from Vishnu School are ready to entertain us because this day is meant specially for us. So, let's listen, enjoy and make this day a memorable one. Our Nandini from 6th class is here to express her love towards her mother through a song.
I got something special for the Mother's Day to thank you for the love that you give me every day. It's just a little heart, but it says all I can say, and it's just for you on Mother's Day.
Hi friends, this is Nia Anika from first year. My mom is my best friend. My mom is my role model. She takes care of my health and education. I love you, Mom.
My name is T. Surya from 2nd C. Today I am telling about what I learned from my mom. My mother name is Prasanna. I learned hardworking, helping nature from her. She tells me how to.
Wow, so cute! Here is our Nitin from 10th class to share his experience with his mother.
Dear listeners, today I have got a tremendous opportunity to express my feelings towards my mother. I feel that it is a token of love to show my gratitude towards my mother by connecting with you all in this Mother's Day episode. The word mother is indeed small, but the feelings' importance are very big. Every mother is a wonderful creation of all my team. Of course, my mother is not an exceptional. First of all, I would like to thank Lord for having gifted me such a caring, affectionate, compassionate mother. She is my superhero and supporter in my every minute of my life. She gave up her self dreams and dedicated life to fulfill my dreams. I have no suitable words to express my gratitude. In fact, she really added color and melody to my life. Even in our epics also, mother has got first place. Yeah, Mata, Pita, Guru and Devam. I can say that my mother is my root, my foundation. She planted that seed that I base my life on. Acceptance, tolerance, bravery and compassion are the things my mother taught me. So my dear mother and all mothers on this earth, a very happy Mother's Day.
To all, this is MS Kartikeya. Today I am telling about my mom. My mom's favorite color is pink. She is my best friend. She makes delicious food for me and reads bedtime stories for me. And I learn how to respect the elders and behave with my friends. Reading, writing skills, cleanliness and healthy habits from my mom. My name is Bhavana. My mother name is Sureka. I learn patience and hard work from my mother. Happy Mother's Day.
Oh, so cute little kids. And here is our Hasini from 7th class would like to dedicate a song to all the mothers.
సృష్టికి జీవం పోసినది రెండక్షరాల ప్రేమ, నీ గర్భగుడిలో పురుడోసుకున్నదే మానవ చిరునామా. అమ్మా 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 అమ్మా, సృష్టికి జీవం పోసినది రెండక్షరాల ప్రేమ, నీ గర్భగుడిలో పురుడోసుకున్నదే మానవ చిరునామా. సకల చరాచర జీవజాతులలో కొలువు తీరినది నీ రూపం, నీ చనుపాలతో అనురాగం పంచే కమ్మదనం నీ జన్మగుణం. అమ్మా 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 అమ్మా, ఒక రూపానికి ఆకారాన్నిచ్చి లోకానికి చూపించే శక్తి, తనువు అణువున నొప్పులతో భరించేటి ఓ మాతృమూర్తి. నీ పొత్తిళ్లలో చిరునవ్వులు చూసి 9 నెలల బాధలు మరచి అమ్మా 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 అమ్మా, సృష్టికి జీవం పోసినది రెండక్షరాల ప్రేమ, నీ గర్భగుడిలో పురుడోసుకున్నదే మానవ చిరునామా. అమ్మా 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 అమ్మా.
హ్యాపీ మదర్స్ డే. హ్యాపీ మదర్స్ డే.
Wow, that's really so cute. And here is our Diya Jain from 10th class to know many things about her from her mother. So, let's listen to their conversation.
Hey mom. Hey. Mom, I have some questions arised in my mind which can only be answered by you. Can I?
Sure.
And mom, you have to give truthful answers.
Yeah, I will.
Okay. When I was little, what did you think I was going to do when I grew up?
Nothing much. I just thought you would do something which would make you happy as well as us happy.
Oh, that's amazing. That day is no far. What do you think, mom? I have more good qualities or bad qualities?
Good ones, dear.
Yeah, I know. Haha. Mom, was I naughty type of kid or a silent one?
Naughty one.
Really?
Yeah,
I thought I was a silent kid.
not really.
Okay, mom. What was the funniest thing I have ever said or did as a kid?
You would eat a lot of chocolates and then hide inside clothing racks so we couldn't find you.
Oh no, you revealed my secret, but it is funny to hear now, and I don't remember that. Now, this question will be last one, but a difficult question for you. You have 3 kids. Among these 3, whom do you like the most?
It is not the difficult question.
Then answer.
Yeah, I love 3 of you in an equal manner, not one in the first place and the others in the second and the third places.
Oh, mom, you played a safe game.
No, I didn't play it. It is the truth one, dear.
I was joking, mom. I know. Thank you for interacting with me. Love you, mom.
Love you, beta.
Hi, I am Mother of First B. On the occasion of celebrating Mother's Day, I am going to say a few things that I learned from my mother are to never give up, how to be brave, to respect everyone, to help everybody in need, to be patient and to work hard. Thank you. My name is Janshu. I am studying in second B. Today I will tell what I learned from my mother. Wish you a happy Mother's Day. I love my mother. I learned how to eat, how to bath, how to walk, how to talk. I learned my good habits from my mother. I learned my daily actions from my mother. My role model is my mother. She cooks very.
Yeah. And now here is our Nikhil to entertain us.
मेरी रोटी की गोलाई माँ, सर्दी वाली रजाई माँ, मेरा पहला अक्षर माँ, मेरे सबसे भीतर माँ। माथे की पप्पी माँ, सबसे मीठी झप्पी माँ। पानी जैसी प्यारी माँ, कहानी जैसी न्यारी माँ। गुड़िया जैसी भोली, रंगीली रंगोली। मेरी रोटी की गोलाई माँ, मेरी रोटी की गोलाई माँ। मेरे सच की सब सच्चाई माँ। स्वेटर वाली बुनाई माँ, छाँव से ज़्यादा ठंडी। कांच पे लगी बिंदी, डर लगता है जब रोती है माँ। ना होने पे भी होती है माँ। लोरी जैसी कोमल में बच्चा वो आंगन। मेरी आँखों में भर आई माँ। मेरी रोटी की गोलाई माँ, मेरी रोटी की गोलाई माँ।
Hi friends, I am Jeshwita Verma. My mother name is Deepika. My mother is the most important person in my life. She is my best friend. She always get up early in the morning. She cooks tasty food for us. She always guide me in my studies. I love my mother very much. I am very proud of her. My mother is my role model. I love Mama. I love Mama. As I do. As I do. Mama loves me too. Mama loves me too. As she does. As she does. Thank you.
I love my mom and so much for my mom. I learned how to be a good sister, daughter, good friend and good girl. I learned how to treat everyone. I love to play with my mom. I love to play naughty things with my mom. Always want to be with my mom. I love you so much, Mom. Happy Mother's Day.
Very nice. And here is our Harika to share her thoughts with us.
Someone has rightly said that a mother is your first friend, your best friend, and your forever friend. So today, I have got a tremendous opportunity to express my feelings towards my mother and all the mothers of the world on the occasion of Mother's Day. And I'm sure that no words can describe our gratitude or thanks for our mothers. She is most precious gift to us from the Almighty. As God couldn't have been present everywhere in the world, He must have created mothers to make up this loss. Everywhere in our life, mother's role is the supreme. Behind the success of every great person, there is the inspiration of his mother. She is our first teacher, first guide, and first friend also. She gets second lease of life when the child is born. She smiles when the child smiles. She cries when the child weeps. And she sleeps when she finds her child asleep. Her great source of happiness is the happiness of a child. She is contented if a child is so. For her, the whole world is her children and family only. A mother is everyone's best friend because she takes care of everything we need. So, to say her a thanks and give her respect, a day of the year has been dedicated to all the mothers and celebrated as Mother's Day every year. In India, Mother's Day is celebrated every year on second Sunday of the May month. We cannot live without our mothers and her caring love. She is full of devoted to us like no one else in the whole world. We cannot count her contribution in our lives, and even we still can't count her daily activities from the early morning to night. Our mothers are very, very, very special. She has lots of responsibility and does all continuously without getting tired. Even after being tired, she always smiles for us. She is the one whose job is unlimited without any fixed job time and work. We can't give her anything in return, however, we can say her a big, big, big thanks and lots of respect and care. We should always love and care our mothers and obey her. Mother's Day is the perfect time to show her that you are there and you will be always. I want to conclude my speech with this beautiful quote. Like, a mother is a person who can take the place of all others, but whose place no one else can take. With this, I would like to end my Mother's Day speech, and I'm wishing you a very, very, very happy Mother's Day to all. Thank you.
My name is PLS Vaishnavi from Vishnu School. Mother's love is unconditional. Every mother is special from their children. God gives wonderful and priceless gift to our birth. I learned so many moral values from my mother. My first step is with my mother. My first word uttered by me is my mother. My first teacher is my mother, like how to respect elders and how to behave with elders and how to respect them. She guides me everything. She had much patience that she learns everything, and she makes me to learn everything, to feel interest in me to learn anything. Finally, I am nothing without my mom. She is everything for me. And my mother is my best friend ever. Thank you.
I learn punctuality and discipline from my mother.
That's so nice. And here is our Lasyanjali with a beautiful poem.
God made a wonderful mother. She is my ultimate creator. Though she grows older, in my eyes, she is still younger. Mom is in my vein, plays with me in the rain, shares all my pain, celebrates all my gain. Mom's love is like moonlight, turning hard things to light. You always held my hand tight, it made my life bright. Mom is my physician, treated me with love and compassion from the purse of complication. For this, I owe you an ovation. Mom is my motivation. I bow my head for her dedication. I will be your imitation till I reach my destination.
Hi friends, this is Himakshi. My mother's name is Rekha Parikh. She is very loving and beautiful. My mother makes my favorite food when I ask her. She tells me interesting bedtime stories. She teaches me good manners and values. She teaches me to respect elders. My mother takes care of entire family. I love my mother very much. She is the best mom in the world.
My name is Rini Jain. I am studying in second class. Today I am going to speak about my mother. My day starts with my beautiful mom. She is a beautiful as moon. She loves and caring like nature does. She is bright, warm
and cool like sun shines. She is my first teacher. She is strong and amazing friend of mine. I love her so much. Thank you, everyone.
After having said about the mother, I would like to conclude by the famous quote by Rudyard Kipling. God could not be everywhere and therefore he made mother. Mother is the most adorable and lovable person in this world. So friends, we should always love and respect our mother and her thoughts. It is our duty to make her feel proud and take care of her, although she never wants to burden us with anything. But we must take the responsibility and do everything possible that make her happy. A mother is like a light and burns herself to give us light. Dear listeners, we hope you all enjoyed our first special Mother's Day episode. We all wish that keep your love and blessings with us to deliver such a new episodes for you shortly.